Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Rio Rico local and long-distance movers near me. 3 Movers is a high-quality, affordable moving company in Rio Rico, Arizona. We have dedicated professional crews that assist residential and commercial customers with local and long-distance moves. When you are looking for a mover to assist with your local move in Rio Rico, Arizona, keep in mind that moving companies in Arizona are not regulated like interstate movers. That means it's up to you to determine whether the vendor you hire is qualified to handle the work. One good idea is to ask for a copy of the mover's business license to ensure it is up to date. Find out how long they have been operating and ask for documentation of insurance coverage. It's also wise to check references by speaking to recent customers and look for reviews on the Better Business Bureau website. The cost of any move is primarily dependent on the shipment size and the trip distance. Local jobs are consequently less expensive than long-distance projects and might be priced under $1,000. In comparison, the average charge to move the contents of a medium-sized home across the country is around $4,300. It's always best to get several estimates for your specific move. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Rio Rico moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.